In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete iCloud from any iOS device, whether it's an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. This is a straightforward process, and in just a few minutes, you'll have successfully removed the iCloud account from your device. First, let's begin by navigating to your device's home screen and looking for the Settings app. The icon is typically a grey background with gears on it, so go ahead and tap on that to open it up. Once you are in the Settings app, you will want to direct your attention to your name displayed right at the top of the screen. This section is where your Apple ID settings reside. Give it a tap to access those details. Afterward, you'll need to scroll through the list until you find the option labelled Sign Out. Don't worry if you don't see it immediately, it's usually located towards the bottom of the screen under your Apple ID settings. Once you spot it, tap on Sign Out. Next, the system may prompt you to enter your Apple ID password. This is an essential step in confirming that you are the rightful owner of the account and have the authority to make this change. So take a moment to carefully input your password. If you've forgotten your password, it's a good idea to use Apple's account recovery options to reset it before proceeding. Another crucial step you'll encounter is to turn off Find My iPhone. This feature is important for security and must be disabled before you can successfully sign out. When you try to sign out, a notification will prompt you to turn it off, so go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions for doing so. This may involve entering your Apple ID password again as a security measure. Once Find My iPhone is disabled, confirm that you wish to sign out. You'll see a confirmation prompt on screen which reiterates that you are about to sign out of iCloud. Ensure everything is in order and tap on the option to confirm your decision. Finally, to complete the removal process, tap Sign Out once more. You might see a final prompt asking you to keep or remove copies of your data, such as Safari data and reminders on the device. Make your choice based on your preference for retaining or erasing local data. And there you have it, the device you're working on is now officially unlinked from the iCloud account. This means that any data previously stored must be accessed directly through iCloud online or from another synced device. Remember, this procedure is useful not just for clearing devices before selling them, but also for managing your own security preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tech guides.